Okay, let's go. This is a very easy recipe for mango salsa. I love mango salsa. I can use it on a number of different dishes. First, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our mango. I also have an easy recipe with a kitchen hack on how to cut a mango or how to cut fruit, which you can find on my YouTube channel as well. Here, we're just slicing as close to that seed as possible, always being careful with our fingers. I try as much as possible to slice away from my fingers or slice down. So you'll see here, I'm just cleaning up the seed a little bit, making sure I don't have any of that nice juicy mango go to waste. Next, I'm moving on to scoring that mango. I'll do it in a cross pattern, being careful not to pierce that skin or cut right through the skin. It's okay if you do a little bit, but let's try and just get all the way down to the skin. And we can now pop this out almost like a flower. Look at that. Nice and easy. Now here, once that is all scored up, we can just simply go ahead and slice off those nice chunks of mango. Cutting fruit is a very simple process if you get the basics down. A nice easy kitchen hack there. Now, since we're making salsa, we're gonna go ahead and chop up this mango. It's your choice here how finely you wanna have that chopped up. I'm going kind of a medium-sized piece here for my mango salsa. It's all ready to go, it's cleaned up. We'll go ahead now and we'll be adding that to the bowl in just a second, and we'll move on to prepping all of our other ingredients for this fantastic mango salsa. Okay, for our other ingredients, we're gonna start with tomatoes. If you haven't done this, this is how I slice my tomatoes. Be very careful here. Slice a few ways, first horizontally, and then simply rotate your tomato, and you'll be able to have that in nice diced pieces. Look how easy this is. And I'll also do this for my next ingredient, which are my red onions. It makes dicing up the vegetables much, much easier. So when you're cutting fruit or cutting vegetables, you can certainly try this method. Always protect your fingers. Try and get those knuckles to be the guiding light, so to speak, for your knife. If not, keep those fingers away from the knife as much as possible. Some red pepper as well. Look how I'm slicing that down in a way it avoids all the seeds, and then I can simply slice it and rotate, and there I am now all diced up. And what would salsa be without a little bit of kick? So I have one little small tiny baby jalapeno, a couple of limes which I'm going to juice, and cilantro. Roll this up almost like a little crepe or cigar. It makes it a little bit easier to get that chopping process started. And here I am going to chop and dice this up quite finely. I love cilantro and I love lime, especially in my salsa. I'll add a little bit extra. Okay, it's time to make all these ingredients friends. We have the mango, red pepper, red onion, jalapeno, cilantro, a little bit of salt and pepper, and our fresh lime juice. We'll give it all a mix. There we go, looking fantastic. I can't wait to try this mango salsa recipe. It is just so colorful and vibrant. I could eat this mango salsa right on its own.
There you go, everybody. A nice fresh mango salsa. That's gonna last me for at least 4 or 5 days. That means the next 4 to 5 days, I'm gonna be cooking up a lot of dishes that use mango. It could be tacos, chicken, fish, a whole bunch of different dishes. This goes really well. Don't forget, please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and turn on that notification button so you can see more of my great YouTube dishes. Oh, let's give it a test. I love mango salsa. That is fantastic. To go along with this tonight, I'm actually making chicken nachos. They're gonna be fantastic. Don't forget to look for that recipe as well.